Keep posting, keep posting, keep posting, keep posting. Say man, hey man, it's your boy Boosted Fit checking in with another video. And to all my small content creators out there, keep posting, man. I have been posting for about, let's say 31 days straight. All right, it's more than that. Okay, I started at the end of December and we're at the end of January. So I came to give you guys a update. Okay, so on YouTube, you go to your analytics, it tells you how much watch time, how many views, how many subscribers you have gained in the last 28 days. So that's what I clicked on. And my channel is small. I have about 2,000, well, let's say 2,100 subscribers, okay? Relatively small channel, right? But I'm so motivated because since I have been posting every single day in January, my channel has made some major growth. Yes, small content creators are winning in 2025. I'm not saying it's easy, but it's not that hard, okay? So like I said, I have been posting every single day this month, and I want to update you guys on my progress, right? And another thing, go live, all right? But we'll talk about that a little bit later. So first thing first, right? I have it written down. So as far as views, right? I have gained 15,000 views this month alone. Now, views come from, videos, long form videos, and you have the shorts. I think they combine all that stuff together, if I'm not mistaken, but maybe they don't. But anyway, the shorts views don't count towards the watch time, right? Okay. You have to have a certain amount of shorts views just to add that to the monetization process if you want to go that route. Okay. But 15,000 views for a channel that has 2,000 subscribers. I think that's really, really good, okay? You may look at it like, oh, that's not a lot. It's a lot to me, okay? It's a lot to me because I wasn't getting no traction at first, right? But I started posting and I found something that I can post about, and it was gaining me a lot of views, okay? My top video for this month alone was me talking about the prison, how inmates get jacked, how inmates do that, and things about correctional officers and helping correctional officers. So that has been helping my channel grow the most. Okay, I think I got the most amount of subscribers and stuff and views from that one video alone. Okay, and just talking about the prison and how to help correctional officers, things the inmates do, things the inmates eat, how they work out, and things of that nature. So that has gave me significant growth over the last 30 plus days. Okay, so like I said, 15,000 views for the month of January. Okay, man, that's good. Okay, now the second thing, the watch time, which is the most important thing because I'm trying to get this channel monetized, and I talk about that all the time about trying to get this channel monetized. When I first started, if you remember, I was at about 900 and something watch hours, and I had this channel for about 5 years, okay? And I was only at 900 and something watch hours, right? So for the month of January, or the last 28 days, I have gained 339 watch hours. Man, do you know how good that feels to finally get over 1K watch hours? And for the month of January alone, I got 339 watch hours. Man, I was so happy to see that. And let me tell you a secret. What I've been doing the past 3 or 4 days is going live playing NBA 2K. I'm gonna say that again. I've been going live on my PS5 playing NBA 2K25. And I have been getting at the minimum about, let's say 15 to 20 watch hours each time I stream. I've been streaming for about 3 hours, 2.5, 3 hours. And every time I get 15 to 20 watch hours. So that stuff is helping me because I'm just playing the game, something that I'm doing anyway. Okay, so if you play any type of video games, Madden, baseball, hockey, soccer, anything you do with the video game, you can stream that and it can go towards your watch hours. Lives go towards your watch hours, okay? So if you just want to get in and do the vertical live, you can do the vertical live. That can help you with your watch hours. You can do it like I'm talking now. You can go live like that. If there's a big event going on, you can go live with that. I seen one lady on YouTube. She was going live about like right after they made it official for Trump to go into office. She was streaming that, and she got so many watch hours from that. So whatever you are doing, try to go live, okay? Going live will get you to the promised land. I promise you that, okay? You can get there a lot faster by going live, okay? And I go live and get a lot of watch hours, man. And when I first seen the live, I was like, dang, that's a lot of watch hours. You know what I'm saying? And I hope the sound is not too loud from the wind. Let me let this window up a little bit. Let me let this window up. Let me let it up all the way. Okay, so yeah, man, I've been going live. I might start sweating, but I've been going live, and you know, my music came on and everything. Hopefully that is not connected to my doggone phone or whatever and have me talking funny, sounding all distorted. But anyway, man, like I was saying, so with the live, you can get your watch hours, your watch time way faster than anything, okay? Faster than the video, faster than the show, all that stuff. Like, go live and get your watch hours, man. It's a really easy process to get your live. Now, I know some of y'all may not want to go live, and I totally understand that, but if you can go live, please go live. If you're doing it from your phone, if you're doing it from a game like me, please go live and get your watch hours up by going live. And I told you, 339 watch hours for the last 28 days, okay? And as far as my subscribers, remember, I have a small channel, and I have gained 85 plus subscribers. I say 85, that's what it say. 85 subscribers in the last 28 days alone. Now, it may not be a lot to you. I really wanted to get to 100, but it may not be a lot to you, but 85 subscribers for me is a lot, okay? And I have been noticing that my shorts get me a lot of subscribers too, so post those shorts. Put those shorts out there, whatever it is that you're going, that you're doing, make it into shorts clips, okay? So if you make a long form video, chop it up into shorts, okay? Make shorts and post shorts, okay? I told them I'm gonna start sweating, man. I didn't let that window up. But well, I'm gonna get you out here in a second. So start posting those shorts, and those shorts will help you get subscribers as well. So those are the things that I have been doing in the past month. And when I tell you, I will be monetized soon. Now, I said I was gonna get monetized this month, but that didn't happen. But I'm cool with that. Okay, I just have to put in a little more work. Find out what's working on my channel, which is the officer videos, prison inmate videos, like that stuff work on my channel, okay? And I've been posting some workout content, okay? So that is my 28-day analytics, okay? 15K views, 339 watch hours, that's big, and 85 subscribers. The watch time is what means the most to me, okay? And that's what I got, and I just wanted to come out and let you guys know that's my update for the last 28 days. Keep posting, keep posting, keep posting, keep posting.